It goes without saying that every manufacturer wants to ensure they're producing a quality product. Standards and specifications from various organizations provide a guideline from which manufacturers can measure different areas of quality, while also providing the end user with the reassurance that they're purchasing a trustworthy, long-lasting product. Schleuniger offers an extensive range of quality assurance tools that can help you avoid costly mistakes and differentiate your company from the competition through higher quality standards and fewer defects. Barcode scanners are used on the Crimp Center machines for quality assurance purposes. They can be used to confirm proper material is being used before production begins. During the machine setup, materials such as crimp terminals, wire, or seals must be identified by a barcode and compared with the actual order data. Only when both data sets match will the sample production and/or production be released by the machine. Material change detection enables the machine to recognize when the wire, terminals, or applicators have been changed during production. To ensure the correct materials are used, the latest standards require that wire and terminal material must be scanned and verified again if they are changed during a production job. The machine must recognize the change and present the necessary measures to ensure the material is correct. On occasion, suppliers will find it necessary to use splices to connect long lengths of wire or cable. These splices can adversely affect a finished product. The splice detection function automatically recognizes and discards any wire splices without stopping the machine. Continuous Crimp Force Monitoring, or CFM, guarantees the highest levels of crimp quality. The integrated CFM unit enables the early identification of potential failure tendencies and allows for countermeasures to be taken well before scrap can be generated. Guided Feasibility Study, or GFS, is an optional software package that allows users to capture data generated by the Crimp Force Monitor. The data can be analyzed offline, and parameters can be tested to determine the best results. The separation of good versus bad results are displayed, and the best parameters can be set accordingly. The optional Crimp Height Measurement System, or CHM, is an integrated measuring device and automatically transmits the measured crimp height values to the EASY software. In case of deviation from the nominal value, the crimp height can be adjusted with the touch of a single button, and the optional electronic crimp height control automatically applies the correction to the subsequent production. Tensile strength, or pull force, is another important component of an ideal crimp connection. The optional pull test measuring device measures the force required to separate the terminal from the wire and transfers the results of the test to the crimp center. Parameters and tolerances can be assigned for specific wire terminal combinations. The Schleuniger SIS6 is an extremely compact device that in just a few quick steps allows users to create crimp samples for cross-section analysis. The individual sample is placed in the holder and aligned with the saw blade. The unique blade is designed to provide a very clean cut that does not require polishing. After cutting, the sample holder is quickly moved from the blade to the microscope with the use of guide rails. The sample holder rotates 90 degrees, allowing for a perfect view of the cross-sectioned sample. All parameters of cross-sectioned contacts can be measured and analyzed with the Crimp Lab 2 analysis software. Smart Detect is a highly innovative quality monitoring system for Schleuniger Crimp Centers. This optional sensor-controlled system monitors the complete stripping process in real time and detects any contacts between the stripping blade and the conductor. Wire ends exhibiting excessive contact are discarded accordingly without stopping production. The optional Wirecam system monitors the stripping results and seal position. A picture is taken of the end of the processed wire as it is in motion or on the fly. Based on a two-dimensional top-view image, the software inspects each individual wire end and compares it with the reference data in real time. Since inception, Schleuniger's Crimp Center machine software was programmed using TCP/IP protocol to easily enable networking. The optional Easy Production Server software can be used to network all of your Crimp Center machines and some third-party machines. Jobs can be automatically sorted to minimize setup time and allocated to machines based on machine capabilities and availability. Take your production optimization to the next level with Schleuniger's Manufacturing Execution System, CAO. CAO takes over the planning and monitoring of all wire processing machines. It extracts data from the order management system, for example ERP, and compiles consistent orders. These are grouped according to the best workflow principle and assigned to individual machines. In particular, this enables clients with various order volumes and small batch sizes to produce more efficiently and to have access to relevant production and machine data. Quality standards are continually getting tighter, and customers expect vendors to have quality assurance systems in place. Schleuniger's Crimp quality systems can be a significant asset to position your company to meet the increasing requirements of your customers. With the growing demands of ISO and IATF, staying up to date with quality assurance procedures may differentiate your company from your competition by showing your customers that you are serious about quality.